Hello YouTubers and welcome. I've currently got another speaker. This is a Altec Lansing speaker. I got it a few months ago. Very skinny, not bad sound quality at all. Here's the model number of it, as you can see. At the moment I have it in battery mode. This is a really cool one because this side you can put the batteries in without it being playing. On this side right here, you actually put the batteries in and you can power it off batteries or power it off main power. It also has whatever that's called. I don't know what you would call that in what iPhone that is for. But yeah, without further ado, I've got this turned on. It's just under halfway volume, and on my phone volume it's maxed. No bass boost, just natural equalizer off this speaker. It has very good mids, but not amazing sound quality. The sound quality is good for what it is though. I'm going to be starting with, let me go from back. Let me see. It's not that one. There we go. So it is this song right here I'm playing. Got a very good bass line.
If I use your song in my YouTube video, yeah.
Actually,
you know I don't play right.
No, sorry. I mean this song, guys.
Just give me the word.
That's what it's called right there.
You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. You know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word.
I believe this was made in 2008.
You know I don't play right.
The speaker.
I'm gonna get back when I feel like. Don't give me this. You know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word. You know I don't play right. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. You know I don't play right. Just give me the word. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like.
Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this speaker video on this iPod dock. Hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.